Hey guys, let's go ahead and begin the last part of the notes today and Bellwork. All right, so let's go through Bellwork. So we go to Bellwork words. We see that down here you have to do images. Simple enough. When you get on the Bellwork, go ahead and click, search up these words for images. Remember, try to find the right ones, but the ones that you feel best represents the word. You might have sometimes when the restrictions come in where it says doesn't fit, just delete that and then try again. You will be able to find them. It may take you a couple of times, but you should be able to find the images. Once you get them done, go ahead and go weekly agenda, go to this week, and then you scroll all the way down to Friday. Go ahead and turn Bellwork into me and get that done. Today we're going to do the last page of the notes. All right, so if you look at the notes which I have right here, it's going to be this one, the special purpose map of China. So we're going to be doing a population map. So special purpose maps, what they do is they're kind of designed to show us one thing in purpose, like one specific thing. Now, could they have other things added onto it? Yes, but generally you're looking at special purpose map as a historical map showing like what historical things have changed, elevation maps, so showing elevation. So it's one in particular thing that we want to show you more than anything else. So this one, we got a map of China. We're going to show you the population of it and kind of like where it's at. So what we'll do is we'll go to Google, and I already have it uploaded. You're going to do population map of China. Go to images. We're going to be using this one. I know it's a little bit old, but it still works well. See if I can get in the zoomed version of this map. Doesn't, there it is. Okay, so we're going to be using this map as our guide. We do not need all these different colors. I'm going to show you a little trick to help kind of ease the coloring. But we're going to make our map kind of look the same as yellow, orange, red, and black. As you see over here, if we zoomed in, you can see that any dark color represents a ton of people compared to lighter colors. So the yellow means 0 to 50 people per kilometer squared. So in a given kilometer square, like a square mile, you would see 0 to 50 people. And then over here, 900 plus. So these little areas of here, you're looking at 900 plus per area. So we go back to our map. We need our key right here. Well, we can make our key look very similar to their keys. What we're going to do is combine like terms. So we're going to do the yellows together, orange together, and reds together. So in our key right here, we're going to go to our draw feature, and we're going to make one yellow or gold, however they want to do it. So yellow box. All right. We're going to do an orange one. It's close enough. And then we're going to make a red one. All right, and then we're going to make a black one. Black. Okay. All right. Then over here on the next feature, we're going to be able to need to label the actual numbers itself. So if we look at the map, we're combining the yellows. So 0 to 100 is our yellow, 100 to 400 is our orange, 400 to 900 is our red, and then anything over 900 is our black. So we go back here, we're going to get back to our draw feature, make sure we're at a point, and then, ooh, don't want to do that. Let's go here, click off. All right, now we go to our draw feature. I do have my stylus. Let's see if I can get my stylus working. Equals, okay, 0 to 100. Ugh, sorry about that, guys. People kilometers squared. All right, I know it's not the best, but we do what we do with what we can. All right, so the orange, if it was working, gotta go back to my mouse. Off. All right, it's 100 to 400. Red's gonna be 400 to 900, and then black is 900 plus. All right, and that's people per kilometer squared, and then you just want to label all the rest of them down. All right, so that's generally how I want you to label that, and then you're going to then color the map. So if you want to split screen it here, half and half, you see here, what you're going to do is kind of go with it. So all the yellow stuff, you want to come up here and color yellow, all right, on our map. All right, then red, and then orange. And if you look there, there's black right there. Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Manchu, those are the black areas. So you're going to come in with a black dot, maybe thick here, and just kind of black dot those regions. So you're going to make your map look very similar to this one. Do you need to do all these little provinces, which is their states? No, okay, you do not need to do all these little areas. You just need to color this part yellow, so color that major part yellow, then orange, then red, and these little dots black. All right, so that should take care of this one. And the idea behind this one is to show us where the population is of China. So we look at this map, we see the population in China is mostly on the coastline near water. All right, so that's what's kind of showing you. The more people live at water, and that's why it's a special purpose map, because it's showing us a special thing, which is just a population of China. Once you are done, now there is no turn-in box on Canvas, as you see this is on paper, so you will have to email me if you did this online. If you're doing this on paper because you're absent today or whatnot, just on Monday when you come back in, just turn in the map for me, okay? So once again, email it to me if you did it online. If you have it on paper, just turn it in to me when you get a chance when you're back, all right? If you have any questions, you can always hit me up on Teams. Hopefully you are on Teams and you've been talking with all your other teachers. Once again, just go to Teams. You should be able to find us. As you see, I have my Teams up there. I have classes, so all you got to do is just kind of search my name under the chat, I think, and then you can be able to find all the stuff you need. All right. So that's Teams, or you can always email me. Okay. So Bellwork is due today, and the map is due today. All right. See you guys.